Kofukuji Temple, the heart of ancient Nara. Kofukuji, meaning Temple of Flourishing Happiness, is one of the most important and historically rich Buddhist temples in Japan. Located in Nara Park, just a short walk from the famous deer-filled lawns and the Nara National Museum, Kofukuji is a designated UNESCO World Heritage Site and a central part of the ancient capital's spiritual and political past. Founded in 669 AD by the powerful Fujiwara clan, Kofukuji was originally built in Kyoto, but was located in Nara in 710 when the capital was moved there. As the Fujiwaras were a dominant force in Japanese politics, Kofukuji became one of the 7 great temples of Nara and played a crucial role in the development of Buddhism in Japan. Despite suffering multiple fires, wars, and periods of decline over the centuries, many important structures have been beautifully restored or preserved. The key highlights of Kofukuji include the 5-story pagoda, standing at 50 meters or 164 feet tall. It is Japan's second tallest wooden pagoda and an iconic symbol of Nara. Originally built in 730 AD and last rebuilt in 1426,
while you're here, you have to pay entrance fee into every temple pretty much. So you can buy individually or you can buy a group one. Now, right now, the 5-story pagoda is under repair, so you cannot go into that. However, you do have plenty of other places to go check it out and see. Now, they don't take credit card at the kiosk for the tickets, so you need to make sure you have some yen with you.
The 3-story pagoda, a more modest but elegant counterpart to the taller pagoda, offering architectural balance to the temple grounds. The central Golden Hall, reconstructed and reopened in 2018, this is the main worship hall where sacred rituals are held. It houses important statues, including a seated Buddha. The Eastern Golden Hall, dating back to the 15th century. This hall contains a significant collection of medicine Buddha sculptures and flanking guardians.
When you go inside, there's a big Buddha and several statues and some pieces of art in there. However, they don't allow photography or videography in there, so I don't have anything to show you, unfortunately.
Kofukuji sits within Nara Park, where visitors can stroll among freely roaming Sika deer, believed by Shinto tradition to be messengers of the gods. The peaceful and open landscape makes the temple a relaxing and reflective destination, especially in spring, cherry blossom season, or autumn golden foliage. its towering pagodas and priceless Buddhist art to its deep ties with the rise of political Buddhism, this temple offers a compelling journey throughout both the spiritual and historical narrative of Japan. It's a must-see destination for travelers seeking a deeper connection with Japan's roots in Nara. So whether you're drawn by century-old art, majestic architecture, or the tranquil beauty of Nara Park, Kofukuji is a powerful and peaceful reminder of Japan's sacred past.
Well, that completes our time at Kofukuji Temple. I hope you liked it. If you come here, it's really cool. Those videos I just did, I just figured out walking and hyperlapsing. So I hope you like them. I think they're pretty cool. So I might start doing some more of them and more of my videos. So make sure if you like that, you hit that like and subscribe button because you're going to see more.